Local body elections have been announced in Telangana, but there are a lot of politics happening around that because the fundamental issue today is the issue of reservation of OBC community of Telangana. We've been fighting for it from day one. Congress government has passed a bill in the assembly. Unfortunately, it did not receive an assent of the governor or even the Honorable President Garu. So we are waiting on that. While waiting on that, Congress government has given a 42% GO government order and then going to election on that basis. So there again are certain court cases lodged on this issue. Now Bharatiya Janata Party suddenly comes out of nowhere and they are saying even if these elections are conducted, we will go to the court and make sure that result is declared null and void. So it is really unfortunate to see the gimmicks played by both Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party, the way they are playing with the emotions of the OBC community of Telangana. They will be never forgiven, both these national parties. We urge and we demand Rahul Gandhi ji should immediately come to Telangana, take a stand on this issue. Bharatiya Janata Party, each one of their MPs is saying one thing. So we do not know what is their official stand. So I request Honorable Prime Minister ji to take stock of the situation of what is happening in Bharatiya Janata Party. End of the day, it boils to the issue of OBC of Telangana. So we need them to support them. Thank you. Jai Telangana. See, Itala Rajendra Garu is a very respected person in Telangana. He is a OBC person himself. He's always fought for the downtrodden people. So we expected him to be with the people of Telangana, with the OBC of Telangana. Unfortunately, in his press conference yesterday, he is saying that we will make sure that the election result is cancelled. Who is he? He is not a judge. He is not a judge of High Court. He is not a judge of Supreme Court. How is he claiming that a legal procedure will be taken up and the result will be determined by him? He is a member of parliament. He can put a case, but he cannot give the result. He unfortunately proclaimed the result yesterday. That is why I am saying that is not correct. He should correct himself and he should really apologize to the OBC community of Telangana. If he is true, if he is dedicated to this cause, he should fight within Bharatiya Janata Party. Make sure that the bill that is pending at the governor and the bill that is pending at the President of India, that should be immediately cleared. But instead of doing that, he is accusing and is trying to threaten the people of Telangana, which is really unfortunate. He is saying that if you spend money in the election, it will all go to waste. That is unfortunately not welcome in Telangana. Thank you.